Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update brought to you by the top rated precious metals company, Goldco. Hey there, I'm Ron, your host, and thanks for spending some time with us today. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us any questions or comments you have in the comment section right down below. All right, so what are we going to talk about today? Well, I know Easter Sunday is behind us, and the passing of Pope Francis has taken the headlines, and rightfully so. But there's a little something that seemed to go under the radar. Trump delivered a mysterious message on Easter Sunday that could send shockwaves through our modern financial system. So, what exactly did he mean by this? Well, for starters, was it any surprise that gold surged through $3,420 an ounce for the first time ever the following morning, breaking another record high? And if we back up a bit, it wasn't long ago that President Trump suggested auditing Fort Knox to see if we still had the gold supposedly in there. His Treasury Secretary, Scott Bessent, responded to this by citing a 2024 audit confirming that 147.3 million ounces of gold were still present. He also added that senators could request a tour of Fort Knox through his office to see the gold for themselves. And it goes even further back. In the past, President Trump has talked about the USA going back to the gold standard, stating, "We used to have a very, very solid country because it was based on a gold standard." He also has been quoted saying that bringing back the gold standard would be very hard to do, but boy, would it be wonderful. We'd have a standard on which to base our money. So, was President Trump claiming that we hold the bargaining chips because we hold the gold? What does this mean for the future backing of the US dollar? I mean, no matter the answer, if you've ever doubted the importance of gold, now is the time to learn why diversifying with precious metals like gold is gaining so much popularity. And I'm sure you all have a lot of opinions, so go ahead and put those down in the comments below because we love hearing what you have to say. Okay, so let's move on to silver. And I'm hearing a lot about silver being undervalued. And I know gold has been stealing the spotlight with all its record breaking activity, but let's focus our attention to silver. The Economic Times is asking the question, time to add silver to your portfolio? With silver undervalued, here's why this is the right time. Their recent article has stated that some are calling this a once in a generation shift that could unravel decades of globalization. Others believe it may trigger the long awaited commodity supercycle. And it goes on to say that with rising geopolitical tensions and central banks aggressively accumulating precious metals, even skeptics may need to reconsider the role of gold and silver. If the commodity supercycle thesis does play out, still a possibility, not a certainty, both metals could see significant appreciation in the coming years. And don't take it as a prediction, but a kind of guess based on what's happening. And then we've got some bold predictions from Kitco News that says silver prices could hit $40 by summer and $50 by the end of the year. And check out this interesting quote from the article. Silver has struggled to make meaningful gains despite gold's sustained rally to fresh all-time highs. But while trade tariffs have muddied the waters and some correlations appear broken, some analysts still see the gray metal making big gains in the coming months. Wow, so there you have it. Exciting times are here for precious metals. So let us know what you think down in the comments below. Which do you like better? Are you on Team Gold or Team Silver or both? And could we be in the midst of a precious metals supercycle? We want to hear what you think, so go ahead and light up those comments. And if you're looking to learn a little more about how precious metals might be able to help you and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially help safeguard their retirement savings, just give a call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. You see, Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. With over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $3 billion in precious metals placement, well, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. And Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. This will ship directly to your doorstep. Simply click on the link down below to get yours. Well, that's it for today's market update. don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and keep shining.